Sorry if I look pretty different actually. Okay, I record this part after approximately 1 year. Okay, lost in the fourth part, so I have to record it again. Now we're gonna learn how to insert images, videos, and audios. Okay, and set them on the background, for example the video as well. I actually wanted to record this on CodePen, okay, which is like an online code editor for front end that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript generally, okay, but we have to use other kind of files rather than images, which you can get from the internet. And yet we're gonna focus on again Visual Studio Code. And by the way, you can set out the open files just like this. Seriously, it works a lot for performance. Okay, just zoom out a little bit and get two files at the same time, but we're gonna use only this one. First, we're gonna add a button, okay, button tag, and we have it, okay. Something is created, this little button is created, but for now we're gonna add, I don't know, this is a try, which is actually an atom, no, but well, it doesn't matter, this is a try, we have it. Next, we're gonna add an image, and by that we use the image tag. This is not complicated actually, and as you see, I have a request for my AI copilot, which is not the copilot, but we have it again. And the curious fact is that you can use image from the internet, okay. I have copied the source of this one, so I paste it, and as you see, we get the image. By the contrary, if we select the video tag, okay, we cannot do that exactly, but just get the relative path, okay, of your video in this case. And as you can see, actually our HTML is located on the folder, so we have to go outside, enter to the script, and then get to the video. Therefore, what we have to do is two dots, okay. This means that we are getting onto this layer, which are all about on the folders. Then we go to scripts, and then we select the video, and make sure that these slashes are forward, not backlash. And just to set it on the background, we must use this CSS. For now we will let it so, and then add these parameters to the video: auto play, loop, mute. And by the way, I will add some opacity, okay, I don't know, 0.8, and on the body, okay, for not making it translucent or something similar, we'll add a background color of black. Why not? With a text of white, obviously. As you can see, it is working pretty well. Finally, I will delete all of this because I am getting some lag, I don't know why. And we'll set this audio with these parameters, okay, controls, and the same way. And once I click on this audio must be playing. Now, if you don't want this control, you can set it out and just loop and autoplay. Now, when the page is loading, we'll get the audio anyway.